Welcome back to the coolest tech, where innovation, discovery, and the extraordinary converge. In the past year, the foldable world has seen quite a few new arrivals. Samsung's Fold and Flip series are big players, but they've been in a tussle with other contenders like Huawei and Oppo. Even OnePlus, known for its impressive flagship and budget phones, is stepping into the foldable game this year. Their much talked about foldable phone is finally hitting the scene soon. If OnePlus gets the pricing right, it might just give Samsung's Galaxy Z Flip and Galaxy Z Fold a real challenge. Given that OnePlus is under the BBK umbrella, it has the advantage of tapping into Oppo and Vivo's expertise. This collaboration could lead to a top-notch user experience for its debut foldable phone. We'll get a better picture once the phone is actually out. Here's a quick rundown of what we've heard about the device, which was initially rumored as the OnePlus V Fold. However, the latest reports point to it being called the OnePlus Open. Design and specs. Back in mid-June, we caught a glimpse of the initial renders of the OnePlus V Fold. These leaks gave us a peek into its book-style design, even though some specifics were a bit blurry. What stood out were the substantial circular camera island on the back featuring Hasselblad branding and the wide aspect ratio of the foldable screen. Interestingly, it bore a resemblance to the Google Pixel Fold. In early August, a more precise set of OnePlus Open renders emerged, derived from a pre-production model. These gave us a clearer picture, showing notable differences from the initial images. One major change was a broader cover display. Interestingly, it bore a resemblance to Oppo's Find N2, possibly suggesting a common design base shared between the two BBK siblings, with OnePlus adding its unique touches. The rear view showcases an even larger camera island in the updated images, featuring a more straightforward H logo instead of Hasselblad branding. The camera housing now includes a LiDAR or time-of-flight sensor, as seen in the new images. Furthermore, the faux leather back of the foldable is evident. Interestingly, OnePlus' distinctive alert slider will be present on its debut foldable, positioned on the left side of the device's frame. While it's not officially confirmed, the grapevine suggests that the OnePlus Open might sport a 6.3-inch 120Hz OLED cover screen. Coupled with a broader aspect ratio, this setup could make the outer display even more handy. On the inside, the foldable is said to flaunt a 7.8-inch flexible OLED screen with a 2K resolution and a 100Hz refresh rate. Although OnePlus initially considered using a bow panel, it's now reported that they've now switched to a Samsung-made display. Adding to the buzz, OnePlus playfully took a dig at the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 during Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event in late July 2023. This jibe served as a sneak peek and pretty much confirmed that their foldable will be christened the OnePlus Open. OnePlus is renowned for equipping its premium phones with robust internals, and the OnePlus Fold seems to be keeping that tradition alive. Leaks from late June hint that the phone will feature a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip, a beefy 16GB of RAM, and ample 256GB of storage. Powering these components is a 4,800 mAh battery, which will be fueled by 67 watts fast charging. While not as rapid as the OnePlus 11's 100 watts charging, this should still get the battery to a full charge in approximately 30 to 40 minutes. Cameras. There are more rumored specs to consider, like a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, the iconic alert slider, and the convenience of dual SIM 5G connectivity. However, if the leaks are accurate, the OnePlus Open might take a different camera route compared to the OnePlus 11, possibly opting for older 48-megapixel sensors to manage costs. The chatter suggests the foldable could sport a triple camera setup with a 48-megapixel primary, 48-megapixel ultra-wide, and 64-megapixel telephoto lens. For selfies, a 32-megapixel camera would adorn the external display, while a 20-megapixel shooter would handle the inner folding screen. The Hasselblad branding implies that photos from the OnePlus Open will likely share a similar color vibe as the OnePlus 11. Software. Seems like those seeking supreme camera performance in a foldable might need to explore alternative options, since the OnePlus V Fold might not be a frontrunner in this department. In addition to hardware, a foldable phone's success heavily relies on optimized software that capitalizes on its unique design. Here, Samsung leads the pack with its One UI, offering tailored enhancements for foldables. Meanwhile, OnePlus Oxygen OS, once a favorite among users, took a hit in quality after merging with Oppo's Color OS. Though strides have been made since the merger, Oxygen OS lost community trust due to slower updates. To make the OnePlus V Fold stand out, OnePlus must infuse Oxygen OS with new foldable focused features, leveraging the inner folding screen and refining the taskbar for multitasking. These improvements would also benefit the OnePlus Pad, giving the company ample incentive to implement them. Time will ultimately reveal the extent of OnePlus' commitment to these enhancements. Price and release date. OnePlus has officially confirmed that its first folding phone will make its debut this year at MWC 2023. With the launch drawing closer, the exact name is still under wraps. Initial speculations lean toward the OnePlus V Fold, but recent hints from the company strongly point to it being called the OnePlus Open. Earlier leaks hinted at a potential New York event on August 29, 2023, aligning with OnePlus tradition for major launches. However, recent reports suggest a delay due to OnePlus opting for a Samsung display over a bow screen. This shift makes sense, given Samsung's expertise in foldable displays. Regardless of the launch date, OnePlus is likely to host a grand event to introduce its inaugural foldable. Just like the OnePlus 11, the Open is anticipated to make a simultaneous global entrance in major smartphone markets. When it comes to pricing, there hasn't been a lot of concrete information in the rumor mill. OnePlus is renowned for offering impressive value for its products, often undercutting the competition. For the OnePlus Open, there's a possibility that the company might follow suit and set the price around $1,500. This strategy would position the device a bit more affordable compared to the Google Pixel Fold and the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, making it an appealing option for budget-conscious customers looking to delve into the world of foldables. In a competitive foldable market, OnePlus has the chance to stand out with its Open device. While Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 5 offers small upgrades, OnePlus could make an impact if it delivers on hardware and design execution. The Google Pixel Fold is also a contender, showcasing strong software despite the company's first foldable. With the upcoming Android 14 update, the competition in the foldable market is heating up. Drop us a comment below. Please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more enlightening content. May these innovations inspire your journey of exploration and curiosity. Until next time!